In this one, we're replacing the hydraulic pump on pre-6000 series tractors. It's a bit of a squeeze, but if you follow these steps, you'll have it sorted and dry boots if you're lucky. Here's what you'll need: a hydraulic pump, an 1.25" spanner, a 9/16 spanner and a 1/2" spanner, a 3/4 and 9/16 socket and a ratchet with a short extension, a small chisel, a hammer, a pry bar and some rags. Step 1, locate the tractor, hopefully the one that's not currently leaking oil into its own shadow. Steam clean or pressure wash the front of the tractor, especially around the pump. Oil and grime are not your friends here. Drain the fuel tank, otherwise your next step will involve a lot of mopping. Remove the fuel tank, set it down somewhere safe and upright. Release the pinch bolt that holds the pump drive in place. Remove the hydraulic pipes. Fair warning, oil will come out. Don't wear your new boots. Bucket ready. Take out the bolts that hold the pump to the tractor. Move the pumps forward and off the shaft. If it's being stubborn, you may need to open up the slot a little. While you're down there, don't forget to check the condition of the cushion. You want it smooth and responsive, not torn and limp. You'll be surprised how much trouble one neglected shaft can cause. Make sure the new pump's fittings match the old one. Swap the parts if you need to. Refit the pump. Reverse of what you did before, but cleaner and faster, with less swearing. Start her up, test the lift. Go and lift something, preferably something heavy enough to celebrate with. And that's how you fit a hydraulic pump on a pre-6000 series. Got another oily job? Let us know. We're the Tractor Whisperers and we bring you the pressure.